If you skateboarded down the Hoover Dam, the slope would rapidly accelerate you, reaching speeds of up to 50 to 90 miles per hour and beyond. Now, the curvature of the dam structure would make it incredibly difficult to maintain control. And if you somehow managed to stay on, the friction between the wheels and the concrete would probably start to generate some heat. Now, some people might think it could get so hot that it would start to burn the board and your feet. But this probably wouldn't happen. Approaching the bottom, the rapid deceleration would be abrupt.